Welcome to the CK Motor Group, Cape Town's leading group of automotive repair centers. Established over 20 years ago, the CK Motor Group is a family-owned and run business. From a single branch beginning, we have evolved throughout the years to encompass a collection of 5 branches spread throughout the Cape Town region. Our foundations are firmly rooted in the phrase Ubuntu. I am because we are. Our over 200 strong team of dedicated and highly skilled staff members, some who have been with us since inception, are the driving force behind the success of the group. Our principle of family first is evident in our ability to ensure staff retention, even throughout the most challenging times. We have attained major structural repair status, which has been accredited by the South African Automotive Body Repair Association, an affiliated association of the retail motor industry. We are proudly accredited by SETA, the Manufacturing, Engineering and Related Services Sector Education and Training Authority. This allows us to further staff training and development by taking staff members from apprentices right through to fully qualified technicians. We understand that vehicle repairs can be a stressful and daunting experience for many of our clients, which is why we've simplified things by providing branches throughout the Cape Town region. We are located in Tukai and Claremont in the southern suburbs, Gardens in the City Bowl, and Goodwood in the northern suburbs. Our courtesy vehicle fleet and shuttle service are another way we've considered our clients' need for convenience. We hold full structural repair approval for over 20 leading manufacturers, including Maserati, Audi and Audi Aluminium, Volkswagen and Volkswagen Aluminium, Haval, GWN, Renault, Ford, Jeep, Dodge, Abarth, Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Toyota, and many, many more. We offer a lifetime warranty on all our paintwork. Our workmanship warranty is valid for 3 years and all parts are supplied with the manufacturer guarantee, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle will be returned to you at showroom quality. During these unprecedented times where health and safety is at the forefront of all of our lives, we have seamlessly integrated all the essential sanitization protocols into our existing health and safety practices to ensure the consistent well-being of our staff and clients. Customer satisfaction is of utmost importance to us, and we are proud to have maintained a customer satisfaction index rating of above 95% for the last 6 months. We continually strive to uphold the standards and expectations that the CK Motor Group has become known for. The CK Motor Group, the best part of a bad situation.